So this is an old JBL Charge 2 Plus speaker. It is probably close to 10 years old, and whenever we play music out of it, it starts to make a popping sound, almost like a blown speaker. And from what I've read, that's a sign that the battery can't hold a voltage anymore. So I bought a replacement battery. One here. A replacement battery kit here on Amazon. It has the battery pack in it. It looks like it also has some tools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the battery here. There you go. So I'm going to replace the battery in this unit. So I've had a look and I don't see any place on here with screws on it. But I did notice here that there looks like these are two pieces here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plunger, and I'm guessing what this thing's here there for. I'm going to use this. I am going to try to peel away at the speaker. This is one of these things where I don't think you're going to be able to do this without having some kind of visible damage later on the device. It's going to have some kind of marks. Oh, there we go. Got that under. Oh, looks like that might work. Oh, look at this. Very nice. So now there's some glue on there. Look at that. That is working. Let's hope that I'm doing this right. Now you want to take your time with something like this, because obviously this is going to have to seat back in there. And if you bend this, you're not going to get it back in. So let's have a look here. Oh, look at that. That's a little bit silly. I've just kind of wiggled it a little bit. Looks like I got at the battery right here. So I didn't even need to undo this. So if you followed along, we can scratch out. Look at this right there. Oh, you can't see that here. Right there, you can see where the battery pack goes in. There. So that, oh, and look at how it's bulged. Look at how that battery's bulged. That right there is a classic sign that the battery's no good. So let's take this out. And that might have been why it was so hard to get it apart, because look at that. Wow. Holy smokes. That is a 22 watt hour, 6,000 milliamp battery. That is a 6200. So this one's just a little bit more powerful. So I did not have to take that front cover off. So let's put this back in this way. The battery was in that way. Right there. There's the channel for the battery wires. There. And go like this. Look at that, like, there is look at that. See how that's all bent? So it's clearly no need for there. No, there. Okay. And look at that, eh? You know you're in the right threads. Pop it in like that. Okay. So now 2 holes there. So this goes in this way. So let's find out where the battery was plugged in. Plugged in there. plug this back in, and this looks like it goes in this way. Look at that, it fits in right away. There. All right, so now, before I put the speaker in, let's try this out. Turns on, speakers are full. It's paired to Bluetooth, but I can't use it right now. You'll see here, got my 4 bars. Turn it off. Now let's put this all back in here. Gonna go in like this first, because it looks like that's the way it works. And need to reset this part of the gasket again. Okay. There. Got that down. Over top. Gasket still in good spot. There. Try to find the right thread. There it is. Popped in the thread right away. That's good. I'm going to put the link to the battery in the description. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this on. So there are these, can you see them here? There, these tabs here, they go into these slots here. So you gotta make sure you put them in the right way, like that. Then just work that in. There you go. Good as new. Thanks for watching.